Did you benefit from Professor Markel's death?
No.
Hi everyone, this is Ladybug. We're now going to resume showing you the cross-examination of Wendi Adelson by Charles Adelson's defense attorney Dan Rashbaum. As you may recall, day 2 of the Charles Adelson trial got a little messy for the prosecution. Wendi Adelson had to be recalled to the stand after Dan Rashbaum successfully objected to a question Georgia Kappelman had asked Professor Lacasse about statements Wendi had made to him. So, Jeff Lacasse had to get off the witness stand and Wendi had to be called back to the witness stand. Wendi was already about an hour away from Tallahassee when she got the call to return. So now we resume the cross-examination with Wendi back on the witness stand for a second time.
Cross-examine.
Very briefly. Good afternoon. During your interrogation, do you recall Jeffrey Lacasse's name coming up?
Yes.
And do you recall that it was Jane McPherson who brought up his name, not you?
Yes, correct.
And do you recall, as a result of his name being brought up, he was considered a suspect?
Yes.
And do you recall that Detective Isom asked you a lot of questions about him?
Yes.
And he asked you about his car?
Yes.
And he asked you about his travel schedule?
Yes.
And he asked you for his information so that he could speak with him, correct?
Correct.
But you didn't bring up his name, right?
No.
You didn't try to frame Jeffrey Lacasse for any murder, right?
Absolutely not.
In fact, Jane McPherson was the one who brought up his name, correct?
She was.
I have no further question.